Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to send emails from Monday.com. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you and teaching you how you will be able to set up emails in Monday.com, wherein you will be able to send emails to yourself or even to your teammates in Monday.com. Now, this will typically use a feature called automation. And in this video, we will be showing you just how you will be able to set that up. So over here, I created a board for myself. There we go. I just created this sample board over here called Mobile App Development. Now, this is a board that is set up to help me with my project management. And of course, with project management, I would like to be notified or I would like to send emails to maybe my teammates or to me myself when something is happening or if something's progressing. So to be able to set this up, the process is very simple. You're going to open your board over here, just like what we did over here. And look over here on the top right. You have integrate and you have automate over here as part of your options. So you could either go with integrate over here. You could click on the email icon or the Gmail icon, and you will be able to see all the automation related to emails over here. Now, since Monday.com is more on a project management or work management, it is not an email platform where you could easily create or publish some emails that you could just send to someone. Of course, there's a whole process and it's not going to be as direct as Gmail when you create email. So for example, if we go to Gmail over here, as you can see, this is our email. You can easily compose in Gmail. That is not the case with Monday.com. There is no such feature here. But the way we could utilize inbox or email in Monday.com, where it will send us emails, is through the automation that I was talking about earlier. Now, as you can see here in the automation center, right now what we're seeing are all Gmail related. And you can see the different types of automation over here. Starting from the top, as you can see, every time period, if status is something, send an email to someone. That's one of the integration. You can also have here when an email is received, create an item in group. So depending on the setup of your Monday.com, that could be very useful as well. For example, you would like to set up some commission. And once someone sent you an email, that specific commission or specific task will automatically be added to your to-do list in Monday.com, which will help you a lot with your managing or with your order management. There's also here called when status changes to something, send an email to someone. That's very nice and very important, especially when someone is waiting for someone to finish a specific task before they can proceed. For example, for me, I need my team member to finish their task first because I cannot proceed with my own task if the person has not accomplished theirs yet. And this is a very useful integration wherein it will notify me when I can finally start working. There's also one here when a column changes. This is a general section column because these are columns over here: status, date, files. If anything changes with all of these features that you have added, an email will be sent. It's not limited to status. And aside from that, there's also one here where in an item, when an item is created, send an email to someone. For example, you assign that specific board to a specific team member, and if an item is added or if a task is added, then they will be able to receive a notification that they have a new task pending or a new task to accomplish. That's also one of the things that you could utilize the email for. And over here is also every time period, send an email. So this is like a notification, I guess, or like a repeated email where after a time period, there will be an email be sending to everyone, maybe like a notification to or a reminder for everyone to start working, something like that. Also over here, when an email from an email is received, add it as an update. So that's also one of the good email integration, wherein, for example, you could send the email to a specific client, and if an email is received, if I receive an email from the client, an update will be put on the specific task. Also, you could also do that to your team members if you want. And over here, you could also have this when a status changes from something to something else. I'll send an email to someone, or when a date arrives and status something, send an email to someone. So let's try this out. So for example, I would like to have this: when status change to something, send an email to someone. So I could add that to board and open my Gmail over here. So over here, let's open our Gmail. So we could show you how it works. So over here, when status changes to something, send an email to someone. So the status is what we saw earlier, where you say done, to do, stop, cannot do, something like that. Now this is the status that I'm talking about earlier. As you can see here, this is the status where you could change different status on different tasks from working on it as stuck and done. I added a new status over here called having issues, need help. And of course, based on the format of the name of the status, it means that someone needs help on their specific task. And I would like to create an email or automation wherein I would be informed when someone needs help just like this. And I would love to be able to be notified whenever I need to help or give some assistance. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our integration over here and go back to add to board. Select my email over here, and as you can see, select the status just like that. And when status changes to something, simply select something and click on having issues, need help. Like I explained earlier, I would like to be notified when someone seeks my attention or seeks my assistance on a specific task. And click on send an email. Now over here, this is the email that we will be able to receive. So this is what you're going to be customizing your email to be. So let's say here, hi, I could select username of whoever who is chatting me or whoever this is being sent from. I'll set person over here. I need assistance. And over here in my main email, I would say, I am in need of assistance of this specific task called, select the item name, which is the item name of the specific task or like the specific project in the group task group name. And then I could have that as it is. And then you can simply click on to someone. I could set it to myself because of course I would like to be the one who will be receiving this email. Or you could also set it up for a team member. As you can see here, if ever you assign someone to be the one who is going to assist you. After that, click on add to board. And there we go. Now let's try it out. Let me open my email over here. Click on my Gmail. Go back here. Now let's change ChatGPT API over here to having issues, need help. And now what we should expect is that we will be able to receive an email regarding our ChatGPT API over here. And going here, as you can see, this is something we just received right now. Let's open this one. As you can see here, hi, I am my username because we selected person earlier. I need assistance. Now this is our subject. I am in need of assistance of the specific task called ChatGPT API, which is the API we selected over here. In the group name task API integration, as you can see here. So that's basically it. You will be informed when someone is requiring or asking for assistance on a specific task. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.